Thinkfinity is also a website that you can filter your search parameters. There's a couple ways to search, but first way is right here in the what are you looking for, type in the topic. So just say I'm looking for fractions and I click on go. There are 64 entries about fractions. I now can narrow my search. Maybe I just want activities. Maybe I want them from 3 through 5. And maybe I want them to have to do with math. One thing to make sure is when you are searching, make sure when you refine your search, you do search within these results. Because if not, it'll search the entire site and it won't search within just fractions. So I'm just going to search within the results. And it narrows me down to 5. So each entry has the name of the activity, what the grade level is, what the type of activity is, and a brief explanation. This is the actual website. And if I hit show details, it sometimes shows you a little bit more information like the keywords, what the format is. Not always that important. The two ways to get to the actual activity are either click on the big blue words at the top or click on the URL. They both take you to the same place. So here it takes me to this website, Fraction Models. Explore different representations for fractions, including proper fractions and percentages. It has instructions, has explorations. Once again, you find good websites, click your Save on Delicious button and save the website. If I want to remember that this is a great interactive for practice, I can type myself the notes. I can tag it how I want, math, fractions, interactive, games. Remember, tag, 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 and then click Save. Takes me back to my site. If I go back to Thinkfinity, there's another way to search. So I can click on Home, and it'll take me back to the home page. Now, some of you guys are really going to like this. There is a state standard search. So if you're looking for some activity, lesson plan, website, unit that has to relate to a certain specific standard, you can use the state standard search. Now, there's two ways of searching the state standards. Like it says here, many states have adopted common core standards in English and math, but will not be assessing those standards until the 2014-2015 school year. For those states, the core common standard are listed separately. So if you want to look for between the regular standards, state content standards are the top. And if you're in social studies or science, obviously the common core standards probably aren't set up yet. So if you go down to the bottom, you can look in 21st Century Skills Framework, or you can go to the Colorado Common Core Standards, pick a grade level, let's just say 7th, and then pick a subject. Well, let's see if anything comes up for social studies. No, because they haven't done it yet. So let's look in math. So math, science, so here we have the Common Core Standard, number, sense, properties, and operation, and the more specific benchmark or indicator. Right over here are the results. There's 28 results that go to this exact standard right here. So there's 7 that go to this one. So you can click on them, and then it will look similar to the entries before. A little explanation, what it is it an activity, is it a lesson? You can click on the blue words, or you can click on the link or type the link. So I click on the blue words and it's going to load up my activity. Unit 5, and you just have to check it out and see if it's something that you're interested in. Remember, if you like it, save on Delicious.